Yo, today is Monday. It's Monday, June 2024, 3rd of June 2024, as you can see on the screen here, and the time is 11:45. Now let's see how the trades are doing. Let's see how the account is doing. Currently, as you can see, guys, we sold GBP USD. We sold GBP USD, as you can see. Now, yeah, as you can see on M30, we are still bearish, as you can see. Oh, these are the trades that I've taken on Friday, guys. Just to remind you that these are the trades that I've taken. So now currently we are at 82 US dollars, as you can see. Now let me just close some quickly. Let me secure some profits, guys. Let me secure profits, guys. Now we check now. As you can see now, the account is at 82 US dollar, guys. 82 US dollars, you can see. Now let's see. Okay, this is $18 that was made in few hours, now. So now we are getting ready to enter some buys. But not now, later on. I'll enter some buys later. But yeah, guys, that is the update on the account. Currently we are at 82 US dollar. At 82 US dollars, as you can see here on the screen. So yeah. Yes, we are back again. It's your boy TangeniFX, guys. So yeah, we are back again with an update on GBP USD trade that we took earlier. We took TP already in our sell. At this zone. So now we bought again. Guys. As you can see, price is just trading between this high and this low, guys. That is where price is currently. So as you can see now, we are already in trade in this in profit of 7 US dollars. As you can see, we are at 89.90. We're at 90 now, as you can see, guys. This is the trade that I've taken earlier in the morning. So guys, check this one, guys. We are still moving up to the upside, as you can see there on M5. So yeah, there's a long way to go. I think GBP USD is buying until this low, this high here. That is where we'll TP. So yeah, wait for another update. As you can see now, we are currently at 90 US dollar, guys. As you can see, we are floating 90 US dollar. Stick around, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video, guys. Yeah, guys, let's step away from the market and let the market do its things. You don't need to be watching these trades every time, guys, every hour, guys. You just put your TP, your stop loss, and then you come back later, guys. So yeah, wait for another update later on in the afternoon. So currently we are trading our London session, guys. As you can see. So I'll also be waiting for New York session to see what is happening there. So now, guys, let's step out, guys. Yo, guys, as you can see, we are back at our account, which is a 10 US dollar to 500 US dollar, guys. That is the challenge that we are currently doing, guys. We are in profit, guys. As you can see, the market is moving in our favor, guys. As you can see. So guys, what we have to do is we either move our stop loss to the above our entry to remove all the risk that is on this account, or we TP some of the profits that we are currently running. So let me just TP some, and then I will let others run. I'll just TP some, then I will let the other 3 trades to run, or the other 2. I'll just let the other 2 trades to run. Currently we are at 94 US dollar, guys. Now what we do now is update our TP to our stop loss above our entry, guys. So let me just take 27,080, 27080. That is our stop loss. 27080, 80, as you can see. So we already put our stop loss above our entry, guys, as you can see. So there is no risk on this account, guys. There's no risk on this account. We remove the risk which is on this account now. So currently we just step away from the market and let our TP hit. Guys. Currently we are at 94 US dollar, guys. Let's hit at 100, man. Guys. So guys, that is the update on the account. This is the challenge of 10 US dollar to 500 US dollar, guys. It's challenge that I started 3 weeks ago, guys. We've been up, we've been in the downside, guys. We've been losing too many profits that we've made on this account, but now we are back now, guys. So yeah, yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. another day, another dollar to be made. So today is Tuesday, the 4th of May. I mean the 4th of June. As you can see here on the calendar, guys, the time is now 8:50. Now let's check out on the charts how the account is doing. Currently we are at $11. We already placed these trades early in the morning, so I didn't, when I was placing these trades, I didn't record. But yeah, man, that is the move that we have on GBPUSD. We are targeting this low here. So now let's look at gold. That is what we got on gold, guys. As you can see, that is what we got on gold now. So we can still hold this trade until we hit TP. So currently now we are at 161 US dollar. As you can see, guys, we are floating 161 US dollar. So far we already made 15 US dollar so far that we close. As you can see, 2024 06 04 9. Here it's showing 9, but the normal time is 8 on our time. On our side it is showing that it's 8, but here it's showing it's 9. So yeah, here is just an update on the, I'll give you an update later. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post this video, guys. So guys, let's step away from the market, guys, to avoid all the emotions that comes with these trades. When you're in a trade, you experience a lot of emotions, so it's better to step away from the market and let the market do its own things. Yo, we are back again with an update on our challenge that was going on, that we started. So currently now we are in we took some wins earlier in the morning. We got already 36 US dollars. As you can see, we sold GBPUSD and we sold gold. As you can see, these are the trades from our gold trades and GBP trades. So yeah, now let's quickly look at gold. Gold, as you can see, gold, guys, we already hit our demand zone, guys. Price sold to our demand zone currently. So now we will hold these trades. So our stop loss will just below this area, guys, on 23.15, guys. 23.15. Let me just place the stop loss here. 23.15, guys. That is where we'll put our stop loss. So currently price will just be moving around this zone. So for now, guys, let's just hold our trades. These are the trades that I've taken now. No. Currently, as you can see, the balance is at 171 US dollars. As you can see, we are close to 500 US dollar. But yes, let's keep on holding this trade. And yeah, guys, yeah, we'll hold this trade. So for now, let's step away from the market and let the market do its own things. So yeah, yo, we are back again. As you can see, we are now back with the update of the account, how the account is doing, guys. As you can see here, guys, we are on gold, as you can see. So yeah, man, currently we are at 200 USD, as you can see there on the screen. So yeah, but yeah, we can hold these trades until we hit our TP. So for now, it's just to let the market play, let the market do its own things. So let's not force things on the market. So yeah, man, I'll update you later when I hit all the TPs. When all the TPs has been hit, I will update you. Okay, as you can see, today is the 7th Friday, June 2024, as you can see here. So yeah, let's get to the charts now. Okay, looking at this, as you can see, guys, we were almost at 200 US dollar, but I took a big loss. I took a big loss on GBP USD and Euro USD. So now we are looking at gold, guys. We are looking at gold now currently, but what I see is we are selling gold. That is what I see. If you look at this market structure, we try to break to the upside. We tried to break to the upside, but then price couldn't. We were waiting for a pullback, and then the market, it shows that it shows that okay, it's showing larger bearish candles, as you can see here on the screen, guys. So you see that okay, the red candles, they are much bigger than the bullish one. So it shows that okay, the bears are in the market now. So now what we do is now okay, we just place some sell trades, 0.01, guys. Just three. I will just place 3 trades, guys. I'll just place 3 trades. Now our stop loss is will be up here at 2387. 2387. Let me just make 2388. 2388. 2388. Okay. 2388. 2388. Okay, yeah, then our TP should be somewhere here. So but now, for now, I won't put a TP there. So yeah, I think our TP should be somewhere here around 23 to 59 or 58, somewhere there. So but I won't put it now. So yeah, we already put our stop loss. So now what we do is now just wait for the market to do its things. Let's step away from the market and then comes back later. I will give you an update. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, drop a comment also in the comment section. Join our free telegram group, guys. Join our free telegram group. Currently we are at 200 subscribers on our free telegram group. Okay, as you can see there, most of the trades that we take, we drop them here in our group. All the trades that we take, they are dropped here in our group, guys, as you can see. So yeah, make sure you join. The link is in the video description, guys. The link is in the video description. Make sure you join. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything, guys. So guys, now let's step away from the market and let the market move. It's either we take a loss or a buy. So when you make sure that when you deposit money into a broker, if you deposit money into a broker, make sure that once you deposit that money must forget about that money. That money is not yours. It's only yours when you withdraw it and it comes back into a bank account. That is the mindset that I have, and that is the mindset that I also want you guys to have. Whether we take a loss, whether we lose all this money that you see here, we are ready for losses, guys. We are ready for losses. So make sure you develop a mindset like that. So guys, let's step away from the market and I'll give you an update later. Okay, here is an update on the account that we are currently trading, as you can see, guys. So 140 now, 140 US dollars, you can see. We place these trades just now, you can see, guys. So now what do we do now? Close. We are not planning to hold this trade. We are not planning to hold this trade because I know what I know is that gold will be buying and there is NFP coming up, so we just in and out, guys, in and out, fast, in and out. We are not holding this trade. As you can see now, gold is back to our support, which turned into it was our resistance. Our resistance now it turned into support now, as you can see. That is the break of structure, as you can see there. So now currently price is at the back at our support. So yeah, so this is the only profit that we made today. We made 54 US dollars, you can see there. Now our account is now at 139, as you can see. So yeah, let's wait now. So let me just remove all this because I actually don't trade majority of this. So I only trade gold and Euro USD, the rest. So yeah guys, that's all we have. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, drop a comment if you have any video ideas, or if you would like to say something about this video, you can just drop a comment in the comment section, guys. So guys, if now you want to receive free signals, just click on the link in the telegram link below the video in the video description. I'll also drop it in the comment section so that you can join for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything part of that group. Guys, bye. Yo NFP killed it, guys. NFP killed. That's what we made today on NFP. So we are now, the account is now at 383 US dollars. As you can see, we are close to 500 US dollar. We are close to 500 US dollar. So let me just quickly explain to you how I entered this trade. Actually, I entered this trade via stop and buy stops. I actually put some buy stops above this zone here, this zone, and some sell stop about below this. That's how we entered this NFP. That's how we entered buy stop above this zone and buy stop and sell stop below this zone. So that's how we entered this. That's how we killed this NFP. As you can see here, that's how it got to that balance. So guys, that is where the account is now. We are close to 500. We are almost there now to our target, which is 500 US dollar, and then we are done with this. We are done with this challenge, guys. We are almost done. But yo, look at this here, guys. Look at this. We are close now to 500. We are almost there. Guys. As you can see, we are almost there. See, so we are now pulling back a bit. We are pulling back, so we are about to reach that target, guys. We are about to reach the target of 500 US dollar. 500 US dollar. So let me just close some quickly. And leave two running. So we are close now to 500. We are close to 500. We are almost there. So we are almost there, guys. As you can see now, the chart now, we are close. We only need let me say 50 USD. We only need 50 USD. So okay, what you have to do is just hold this trade until it fills that gap. As you can see, mostly there is this gap on M15. There is this gap. This gap has to be filled. So once it get filled, then we reach our target of 500 US dollar, from 10 US dollar to 500 US dollars. As you can see, guys, today we made 300 US dollars, you can see, here. So now we are still holding this one. So yeah, once it hit our TP, then we hit our target, which is 500 US dollar. So now I'll wait for the market. I know the market will fill this gap here on M15. It will fill that gap. So once it fills that gap, then we hit our target. So let me just quickly put my TP 2330. Okay, let me just say 2330. Okay, now we wait now. You see the market is having a pullback. Yeah, it's pulling back. It's pulling back, as you can see. So we broke structure already. We change of character and we are pulling back now. So we can hold this trade until it fill this gap. You see this gap, it has to be filled. Market has to fill this gap in order for it to continue down. So yeah, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So yeah. Okay, now guys, here is an update on the account, how the account is doing. And yeah, as you can see, guys, we already passed our challenge, guys. We already went to our challenge. As you can see, now the balance is 600 US dollars, you can see. So what do we do now? We just close the trades now, guys. We just close the trades. We just quickly close the trades. Okay, now guys, as you can see, we hit our target now. We hit our target, which is 500 US dollar on the challenge. Now, okay, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video, share the video, and drop a comment in the comment section, guys, if you would like me to create a video of the strategy that I'm currently using. So as we have seen in the previous videos I did not exactly explain my strategy, how I use my strategy and stuff like that. So if you would like to hear more, or if you would like me to cover more about my strategy, drop your comment in the comment section, guys. So guys, that our challenge is over now, guys. So I will start a new challenge of turning 50 US dollar into 1000 US dollar, 50 US dollar into 1000 US dollar, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video, guys. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching, guys.